SEEDANCE 2.0 is officially breaking the internet. The video quality? Honestly, terrifying. In the best way possible. You can't even tell it's AI anymore. The motion feels natural. The camera work is cinematic. The character consistency holds up. Even the real-world physics simulation looks insanely accurate. It's all next level. With SEEDANCE 2.0, you can generate almost any type of video clip you can imagine. Now imagine this. Nano Banana Pro meets SEEDANCE 2.0. What happens? You don't just get clips, you get a full cinematic sequence. In this video, I'll show you the exact method to create an entire film using Nano Banana Pro and SEEDANCE 2.0, starting from just a single line prompt or your script. And the craziest part? Everything is handled by an AI agent called Magiclight AI. So let's dive in. Okay. Today, I will create a short film using Magiclight AI. You can create a 50-minute long film from a single line prompt using Magiclight AI. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Magiclight AI is. This is not just a video generator, it's your digital director, your cinematographer, your editor, your production team, all in one. Magiclight integrates with generative AI tools like SEEDANCE, Veo, Sora, Kling, Nano Banana, along with AI agents to create long, consistent videos and create full videos from your idea. All right, let's create our video. First of all, create an account on Magiclight AI. You will find the link in the description. Once you log in, your interface will be like this. Here, you will find all the tools and features. You can turn your story into a video, create kids' story videos, religious videos, and music videos. Under that, you will find some more tools. One-click video, video agent, image to video, character, and others. At the bottom, you will find some featured videos created by Magiclight AI. Okay? Here you can see that the story to video is now powered by SEEDANCE 2.0. All you have to do is enter the story or script, set the settings, and the AI will make the video. So, let's start creating our video. I already created a script for my short film using Gemini. I will enter the video idea here in this script box. Here, you will find two options: Smart Script and Basic Script. If you already have the full script, then use the basic script, and if you have only the idea or a rough script that needs to be refined, then use the Smart Script. After entering the video idea, set the duration. You can create up to a 50-minute long video. However, for tutorial purposes, I am selecting 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, our script and duration are set. Now come to the settings. First, set the aspect ratio between landscape and portrait. After that, select the video language. You can create videos in more than 20 languages without knowing them. Next, set the story model. I will go with Gemini 3. Now, we have to select the style mode. This is very important. You can use Midjourney or Magiclight mode. I will use the Magiclight 3 model, which is powered by Nano Banana Pro. After selecting the model, we have to select the style. You will find a bunch of options. For this video, I will select the 3D cartoon style. However, if you want to create a realistic video, then I will recommend the Midjourney model realistic style. Okay, we are done. So, click on the next button from here. Now Gemini 3 will analyze the video or story idea and create the final script and storyboard for us. And here it is. You can see the result. This is really amazing. Magiclight AI creates a shot-by-shot story for the video. Now, you can review the screenplay and do the customization if needed. Once you are satisfied with the result, click on the next button from here. On the next page, we have to select the cast. The AI automatically detects characters. Now, if you are not satisfied with the character, you can customize them. Just select the character. You will find a vast library of pre-built characters. You can set filters to find the best one. Alright, now let's customize the second character. Unfortunately, I didn't find any suitable match for the mother character. So, I will create a new character. The process is very simple. You just have to enter the name and prompt and then click here. You will find the preview within a few seconds. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate. Once you find the best result, save the character. You can change the voiceover for the video from here. Okay, our second character is ready. Now, if you need a new character, then click here and then create a new character. Once all the characters are ready, click on the next button. Now the AI will start creating the storyboard for the video. This process will take some time. And here it is. All the storyboard is ready. And look at this. Magiclight AI creates all the storyboard images. And they look amazing. The scene, style, and character consistency are commendable. However, sometimes you might not get the perfect result. Don't worry, we can always fix it. For example, I think this scene looks quite inappropriate. Here on the right side of the page, you will find the prompt. You can customize the prompt and regenerate the image. And this is the newly generated image. There is another very interesting feature called Pose. You will find a vast number of poses. You can select any of them and generate an exact pose image along with your prompt and character just like that. Now, in the same method, review all the scenes and, if needed, do the customization. However, if you think you need to edit any element from any image, you can do it. The image editor is powered by Nano Banana Pro. You can change the clothes, remove any object, change the expression, and others. I am selecting the remove option and then entering the prompt. Once done, click here. And here it is. Now this is perfect. Now, in this way, review all the scenes and make the necessary customization. Alright, all of our images are ready. Now we have to turn them into a video clip. To do that, click on the Animate button. The video generator interface will appear. You will find various powerful and popular AI video generator models. You can also see the credit cost. I am selecting the new SEEDANCE 2.0 model. Now if you want to use a custom prompt, then click here. Otherwise, select the Auto AI generated prompt. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. And it looks great. Now, in the same method, you can generate all other scenes. However, it will take a huge amount of time to create all the video clips one by one. So, I will use this Animate All option to turn all the scenes into video clips with a single click. After selecting all the video clips, we have to select the video generator model and then hit the Generate button to generate the videos. And here it is. All the video clips are ready. And after reviewing some of them, I can say they are impressive. However, if you find anything wrong, you can always regenerate the video. Okay, now all of our video clips are ready. Now you can add SFX, change the voiceover, and more. Alright? Now to move forward, click on the Next button. In this step, we have to set some settings. Here you can set the subtitle style. You will find some options. Select the preferred one. In the end, we have the BGM. You will find a bunch of options. Listen to some of them, and then choose the perfect one. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button from here. Now you have to choose an aspect ratio. After selecting the aspect ratio, click on the OK button. Now Magiclight AI will take some time to render the final video. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Now you can review the video or publish it on Magiclight AI. Let's preview the video.
In a dimly lit kitchen, a small girl sits at a wooden table, her plate overflowing with spaghetti and 2 large meatballs. Across from her, the mother, tired yet smiling warmly, has only a sparse portion of plain pasta. The little girl pushes a meatball towards her mother with a fork, saying, "Mommy, you have one." The mother gently refuses, her voice soft. "No, my love, you're growing. Besides, I had a huge lunch at work today. I am stuffed." On another day, the girl watches her mother carve a roasted chicken, her eyes fixed on the precise movements. The mother places 2 golden drumsticks on the girl's plate. Do you hear me now?
This is just amazing. So, now you can create this kind of video using Nano Banana Pro and SEEDANCE 2.0 on Magiclight AI. No need for technical expertise or prompt knowledge. Now, to download the video, click on the Download button here. And to publish the video, click on the Publish button. Now you can create amazing content with Magiclight and join Magiclight's content creation contest. It's live now. Here you can share Magiclight AI-generated content and win $100,000 plus in prizes. I will put all the details in the description box. If you also want to make your animation video, why not try Magiclight AI? I will put the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!